Welcome back, cocktail lovers. Today, we have an extraordinary journey ahead as we dive into the world of mixology to uncover the fascinating story and unknown facts behind the mesmerizing Sicilian sunrise. So grab a seat, prepare for a burst of flavors, and let's embark on this exciting adventure. Buongiorno, everyone. Today, we find ourselves in this bustling cocktail bar, where skilled mixologists craft exquisite drinks every day. Our focus today is on the Sicilian Sunrise, a cocktail that captures the essence of the enchanting island of Sicily. The Sicilian Sunrise is a captivating blend of citrus, amaretto, and grenadine, representing the vibrant colors and flavors that characterize the picturesque island of Sicily. Did you know that the Sicilian sunrise draws inspiration from the magnificent sunrise that graces the eastern coast of Sicily? It's a tribute to the breathtaking beauty that unfolds every morning on this Mediterranean paradise. To uncover the secrets of the Sicilian sunrise, we must immerse ourselves in the rich culture and history of Sicily. Did you know that Sicily is not only known for its stunning landscapes but also for its incredible citrus fruits? The citrus fruits of Sicily are renowned worldwide for their exceptional taste and aroma. By incorporating these flavors into the Sicilian sunrise, we bring a piece of Sicily's soul to the cocktail. It's like sipping on a sip of sunshine. Now that we understand the significance of Sicilian citrus, let's explore the other essential components that make the Sicilian sunrise a tantalizing treat. Amaretto, an Italian liqueur with an almond flavor, adds a unique twist to the cocktail, creating a harmonious balance with the citrusy notes. We find ourselves in an enchanting amaretto distillery, where the distinctive flavors of almonds are infused into this delightful liqueur. The addition of amaretto adds depth and complexity to the Sicilian sunrise, making it a truly captivating beverage. Now, it's time to unveil a few lesser-known facts about the Sicilian sunrise. Are you ready? Fact number 1, the Sicilian sunrise is a modern twist on the classic tequila sunrise, which originated in the United States. The Sicilian version infuses the cocktail with Italian flair, incorporating the flavors of Sicilian citrus and amaretto. Fact number 2, the Sicilian sunrise is known for its stunning visual appeal. As the grenadine sinks to the bottom of the glass, it creates a mesmerizing gradient of colors, reminiscent of a sunrise over the Sicilian coastline. Fact number 3, the Sicilian sunrise is a versatile cocktail that can be adapted to various taste preferences. Some mixologists experiment by adding a dash of limoncello or substituting amaretto with other nut-based liqueurs, allowing for creative variations and exciting flavor combinations. There you have it, friends. The Sicilian sunrise, a sensory journey through the flavors of Sicily, where vibrant citrus meets the smooth elegance of amaretto. A true homage to the captivating island. Grazie mille for joining us on this extraordinary adventure through the world of the Sicilian sunrise. Remember to raise a glass to Sicily and its stunning landscapes. Salute! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest mixology explorations. Until next time, cheers!